In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new supplier in QuickBooks. This process is essential for maintaining organized financial records and ensuring smooth operational workflows within your business. Let's dive right into the steps to efficiently manage your suppliers. To start, open your web browser and go to QuickBooks. Once you're on the home page, look for the Expenses tab in the navigation menu and give it a click. This section is where all your financial transactions related to expenses and suppliers are managed. Here you'll find comprehensive details of your expenditure, making it an invaluable tool for keeping your finances in check. Next, you'll want to click on Suppliers within the Expenses tab. This area is exclusively dedicated to managing the individuals and companies you conduct business with. It's where you'll keep track of all the outbound transactions, enabling you to have better control over your financial dealings. Once you're in the Suppliers section, locate the option to add a new supplier, typically labeled as New Supplier, and click on it. Starting with a fresh entry helps in maintaining precise and up-to-date records, which are crucial for efficient management and reporting. Following this, focus your attention on the currency field. It's important here to choose the appropriate currency for transactions with the supplier. Picking the right currency ensures there are no discrepancies or misunderstandings, especially if you're dealing with international suppliers. Moving on, you'll want to click on the name and contact area. Entering accurate and thorough information here is key. This includes the supplier name, contact person, phone number, email, and address. Having detailed contact information can save you a lot of time in the future and is paramount for resolving any issues that may arise. Now it's time to actually input all the required information about your new supplier. Ensure you provide complete and correct details, as any errors could lead to complications in your records or transactions later on. Double checking each entry here can prevent potential headaches down the line. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, the last step is to click on Save. By saving the details, you're confirming that everything is ready to go and officially adding this supplier to your QuickBooks records. This step is crucial as it ensures that all your hard work entering the data becomes part of your persistent records. Congratulations, you've successfully added a supplier to QuickBooks. This proactive management of supplier records aids in smoother accounting processes, efficient financial management, and ultimately supports the effective running of your business operations. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you maintain precise and organized financial records with ease.